Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today. Today I'm here to show you the Toshiba Fire TV Edition 43-inch 4K Ultra HD TV. This is model number 43LF621U19. This TV features a voice remote with Alexa built in. It has DTS Studio sound, Dolby Audio, Onkyo speakers, and HDMI inputs. This is a liquid crystal display TV with direct LED backlights. This TV features 2160p screen resolution, 60 Hz panel refresh rate, 3 HDMI inputs, one of which is an ARC input, 1 composite input, 1 digital output, 1 antenna or cable input, 1 headphone jack, 1 USB. Inside the box you're going to get a voice remote with Alexa, 2 AAA batteries for the remote. You get the TV stand, screws to screw in the TV stand, quick setup guide, and important safety information sheet. The product specs, it's a 42.5-inch screen diagonally. The dimensions with the stand are 23.9 inches high, 38.1 inches wide, and 9.1 inches deep. If you're hanging it on the wall without the stand, the dimensions are 22.5 inches high, 38.1 inches wide, and 3.5 inches deep. It weighs 18.7 pounds. This TV has the Fire TV experience built in. It says you can access your favorite content all through one home screen. This has lots of apps built in: Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, PlayStation View, HBO, and more. You can also see a diagram with the different inputs on the back of the TV. There you can see the USB input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, digital output, which is the optical cable, and the headphone jack. So when you open up the box, first thing you get are these instructions on how to remove the TV safely. As with all TVs these days, you don't want to touch the screen. Here's a look at the remote control. It's got 4 app buttons on there. Alright, so when you open up the box, you grab the 2 little handles. There's handles built in to the bag, and you just lift the TV out. After you've got the TV out, next thing you'll get in the box are 2 feet for the stand, and you get 2 bags of screws, batteries, and all the paperwork, including setup instructions. And the setup instructions also come in Spanish. So to set up the TV, you want to put it face down on a soft, flat surface. Remove the bag. Then you're going to get the feet for the stand if you're going to use it on a tabletop. And you just need a Phillips head screwdriver. And each foot has 2 screws that you're going to screw in. And here's a look of how it looks underneath. Don't forget to peel off the protective film on the feet. So it's the same thing on the other side. 2 screws go in and your feet are on. There you can see the cat, Mr. Smoke. This TV has the power cord built into it, so it's not a separate attachment. Here you've got all the inputs on the back side of the TV, and there's some underneath that panel as well. Once you get it plugged in, you're going to have to immediately get it hooked up with the internet, with the Wi-Fi. And it'll do an update, and here you go. You're already on the home screen. Now, I want to show you one thing I don't like about this is the remote control. You'll notice there's no channel up or down button on the remote. So, you have to hit the TV button on the remote, which then brings up a channel menu, like a guide, which has commercials all over it. Who wants to have ads on their TV that they just paid for? I could see if it was a free TV, but that's really annoying. It's like every couple of channels, there's an ad. So yeah, you have to cycle through the channels to pick what you want.
Why here?
That's the easiest way to do it.
Purpose. These questions, along with many more about Stonehenge, remain shrouded in mystery.
Another major issue I have with it is your choice of apps. Now, I thought this was going to have every app you could think of available. However, it doesn't. You can't even get YouTube on this. So if you want to watch YouTube on this TV, you're going to have to download an internet browser as an app, and then use YouTube on the internet browser instead of its own app, which is kind of annoying. The other thing you can do is attach a Chromecast, but I mean, you got the TV because it's a smart TV. It's just wrong to not have YouTube on there. Other than that, the sound seems okay, the picture seems okay. We had an issue with Netflix where it wasn't letting us log in, so we had to uninstall it and install it again. Don't like the remote, don't like the navigation, don't like that it doesn't have YouTube. Other than that, it's okay. That's the review of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give us a thumbs up, that would be awesome. If you want to subscribe, that would be awesome too. And you can check out all my other videos, enable notifications, and I will catch you on the next video.